boy. Let's compare these two fractions, 3/6 versus 6/6. Now, I want you to look at the two fractions and ask yourself, what is the same about these two fractions? There's a 6 here and a 6 here. And I know there's one up here too, but if you're looking left to right, these two are the same. They have like denominators, which means the denominators are the same. So before we compare, you want to ask yourself, what is the denominator and what's the numerator? So when you're thinking about a fraction, you want to picture a whole, like a whole cake or a rectangle or a whole pizza. The denominator is how many pieces it's split into. So let's say that I bought a cake, but I have to share that cake with 6 people, including myself. So since there's a 6 there, I'm going to split that cake up into 6 sections. And since this other fraction also has a 6 on the bottom, well, we're going to do the exact same thing. So when you're comparing fractions, the whole is the same size already. But I'm also splitting this one up into 6. So you can see from left to right that the pieces are going to be the same size no matter what. So we do need to look now at the numerator because that's the part that's actually different. So 3 versus 6. The numerator is how many pieces we're talking about or how many pieces we get. So let's say that I did buy a cake and I split it into 6 pieces. Well, over here I'm going to get 3 of those pieces. Over here I'm going to get 6 of those pieces. I cut it into 6 and then I just ate all 6 of them myself. That sounds like a pretty great day. So the question is, which one of these is a bigger fraction? Now, when we draw our greater than or less than symbol, I like to think of it like an alligator with teeth, or like a Pac-Man, and that Pac-Man wants to eat the bigger fraction because it's hungry. So you're going to draw your symbol with the mouth opening towards the bigger fraction, which in this case is 6/6. So remember, if the denominators are the same, then that means the pieces are going to be the same size. You're going to cut up the cake the same way. So then you just have to ask yourself, which fraction gives you more pieces? Because more pieces, in this case, is going to be a bigger fraction.